क्यूटाई ने जस्ट अभी अनम्यूट रिलीज किया एंड दिस इज द बेस्ट लो लेटेंसी एआई स्पीच इंजन। ऐसा अभी तक कोई भी इतना अच्छा लो लेटेंसी वाला स्पीच इंजन कोई भी एलएलएम मॉडल अभी तक नहीं देखे हैं। क्यूटाई यदि आप नहीं जानते होंगे तो क्यूटाई अभी मतलब इससे पहले मोशी करके एक मॉडल रिलीज किया था एंड रिसेंटली दे रिलीज्ड अनम्यूट एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट दे आर गोइंग टू रिलीज दिस मॉडल वेरी सून एंड इट विल बी 100% ओपन सोर्स मॉडल। तो इसका पेपर रिलीज करेंगे, ओपन सोर्स करेंगे एंड वी कैन डाउनलोड दैट एंड वी कैन यूज इट। तो लेट्स यूज दिस और देखते हैं कि कैसे इंटरेक्ट करता है। तो सबसे पहले मतलब यहाँ से आप कोई भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं डिफरेंट वॉइसेस। तो मैं अभी जैसे वाटर कूलर सेलेक्ट कर लेता हूँ, कनेक्ट, अलाउ।
Hi there. How's your Tuesday evening going? Anything exciting happening?
Hey, hi, I'm doing great. How are you doing?
I'm doing pretty well. Thanks for asking. It's always nice to chat. So, what have you been up to today?
Can you tell me about yourself, about Unmute architecture?
Sure, absolutely. So, I'm essentially a modular AI system. Think of me as having ears, a brain, and a mouth. My ears are a speech-to-text model. So that's how I understand what you're saying.
Yeah, can you also ground the output voice in the input voice that I give?
That's a really interesting question. Currently, I can't directly ground my output voice in your input voice. I can speak in English or French, and if asked, I might have a bit of an accent in French. Major Fred de Momier. Is that a feature you'd really like to see? It's a cool idea.
Yeah, just wanted to know one more thing. Like, can you guys means when your company is going to open source this model, when you are going to release?
That's a great question. Qtai, the company behind me, is planning to open source both the text-to-speech and speech-to-text models soon. There's no exact date set yet, but they're aiming for it to happen in the near future. I'll be sure to let you know if I hear anything more specific. Are you interested in using them once they're open source?
No, thank you. So yeah, you can see means इतना seamless और बिल्कुल इसको आप इंटरप्ट भी कर सकते हैं और बहुत स्मूथली कन्वर्सेशन हो रहा है। लेट्स यूज लाइक डेव न्यूज और इससे पूछते हैं कोई मतलब न्यूज के बारे में एंड लेट्स सी कि ये कैसे आंसर देता है।
Hey there, I'm doing pretty well, thanks for asking. I'm all about tech news, and I just saw an interesting article on The Verge about 3 new DJI drones that might be coming out. Apparently, a Mini 5 Pro, Avata 3, and the Neo 2 are
Hi, can you tell me about Gemini Diffusion and Veo 3 Google just released?
Oh sure, let's talk about those. Gemini Diffusion is a new text-to-image model from Google, and it's showing some pretty impressive results. It's built on Google's Gemini models, so it's got a lot of power behind it. Then there's Veo 3, also from Google. It's a new AI model that creates photorealistic 3D objects from just a single image. It's really fascinating technology. I only have headlines from The Verge though, so to get the full details, you have to head over to their site directly.
Yes. So this is how you can get news. तो ये बिल्कुल लेटेस्ट ट्रेंड है, मतलब ये जा करके नेट पे सर्च भी कर रहा है और वहाँ से इंफॉर्मेशन भी दे रहा है। Now let's go on explanation and then.
Hi there. I'm here to answer your questions about Unmute. This is the system you're talking to right now. Would you like a basic introduction, or do you have specific questions for me?
Yeah, actually I have a question, and actually yesterday my daughter was playing outside when one of her friends was riding a bicycle. Suddenly a younger child ran near the bicycle, causing her friend to lose balance and get slightly injured. Instead of showing concern, the other friends started laughing at her. In such a situation, how should my daughter respond?
That's a tough situation for your daughter. It's great you're thinking about how she can handle it. Before I give you some ideas, could you tell me a little bit about how much your daughter already knows about dealing with things like this? Has she had similar experiences before, or is this new territory for her?
This is totally new for her.
Okay, that makes sense. It's good to be prepared. So, in this situation, here are a few things your daughter could do. She could try saying something like, "That wasn't very nice," or "It's not okay to laugh when someone gets hurt." She could also just walk away and ignore the other friend. Sometimes not giving them the reaction they want can be powerful. Does that sound like something she might be comfortable with?
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for that. Can you just tell me how many languages you can speak?
I can speak English and a little bit of French. If you'd like, I could try speaking French, but I might have an accent. Je
Okay.
peux parler anglais et un peu français.
Can you tell me how to say I love you in French?
Certainly. Je t'aime.
Okay, got it. Okay, so we can also upload here recording, and it will be just a 10-second recording, और जो upload करेंगे as per upload वो voice को ही लेगा and उसी को ये फिर से train कर करके उसी के according voice को modulate करने की कोशिश करेगा. Now let's just select recording, then connect. Hi there, what's on your mind tonight? Hey, hi, my name is Lakshmi Shankar. How are you? Hey Lakshmi, it's nice to meet you. I'm doing pretty well. Thanks for asking. What are you up to today? Yeah, doing great. Can you sing a song for me? I can try, but I'm not exactly a singer, like I'm an AI. Do you have a particular song in mind, or should I just attempt something? Yeah, I don't have anything in my mind. You can go with your song. Okay, well, this is going to be interesting. Let me see. I don't really have songs per se, but I can string some words together. How about this? It's a little experimental, and clients and tenses, the circuits, hum, the data flows, a digital song, as everyone knows. No voice of flesh, no beating heart. This algorithms playing their part. How was that? A bit abstract, maybe, and in fact. Yeah, thank you. You're very welcome. Glad you enjoyed it, even if it was a bit unusual. So, what else are you thinking about tonight? So yeah, you can see कि मतलब आप अपना भी वॉइस अपलोड कर सकते हैं और उसके अकॉर्डिंग ये वॉइस को चेंज कर सकता है. So yes, this is really a great model, and hopefully they will be releasing this model very soon. इसको आप simply unmute unmuti.sh पे अभी यूज कर सकते हैं, बट इसका जो ओपन सोर्स मॉडल होगा, इसको जो मॉडल को रिलीज करेंगे वो अभी कमिंग सून वीक में रिलीज करने जा रहे हैं, एंड दैट वुड बी अ ओपन सोर्स मॉडल.